Yeah, so this is the world's first Trimble Earthworks 825 Compactor. As a surveyor myself, I definitely know the hardship of putting hundreds of pegs a day out on site. Now it's nearly non-existent to put a peg in, which just increases efficiency for the machine. The machine can come to site, do the job straight away. They don't have to wait.
My name's Anthony Machika. I'm a project surveyor here at WEM. Been here for 6 years. So our operators are finding it a lot more simpler to get in the cab, understand the design they're using, get that on their screen and get working quicker. For WEM, that's everything. That's delivering as promised, keeping our production rates up and keeping things moving. The technology is giving them a 3D perspective of the job. Instead of just getting numbers and levels on a screen, they've instantly got more power in the cab to make wiser decisions and increase productivity, and also give them confidence as well.
SITECH and WEM have a very strong partnership. They're one of the biggest leaders in New South Wales using our system. It means they have every possible form of technology, from the office to the field to the surveyors to the engineers, all working collectively together to produce the right design on time and efficiently. All right, well, let's go have a look. So this is the Trimble Earthworks system, currently installed on this 825 compactor. This is what we call the triple view. Every screen is touch sensitive with a pinch zoom, and you can pan just with a single finger. You can also change the view by swiping across and getting a bigger view of what you want. So they've got the design loaded in the background, showing where the machine is on that current site. One other handy feature, and there's a help menu that shows you anything you want to learn or forget how to use, it's right there. So if you need a bench and elevation, for example, you click that, it gives you instructions on how to bench this elevation. It has a cable going to every device, and if there's an issue, it pops up going, this device has an issue. So being support, they give us a call, they go, I'm having an issue with this sensor. We know exactly which one it is. We come out straight away, fix them, and get them up and running as soon as possible. It's very easy to customize the screen simply by pushing and holding any feature on this screen. You push and hold, the menu will come up and you just select what you want to see and not want to see. Go done. You'll change the display. Same with the offsets up here. You push and hold, comes up, horizontal offset. You change that and accept it. Very easy to customize what you want to see and what you don't want to see. It's best of both worlds. SITECH and WEM's goals are very closely aligned. I think that's just why it works.
Absolutely, yeah, like we said, hand in hand, and that's it, we're here to deliver as promised.
SITECH empower WEM to reach their goals, to reach their values of delivering on time and efficiently. I encourage everyone else to catch up.
Here at Western Earth Moving, we're always pushing the boundaries, always investing to get better, and SITECH help us deliver those goals. That's why we're leading the game.